So let's talk about how to get the most out of the unique shape of most sectional ladder sets. And we mentioned the top piece oftentimes comes to a point, and there's a very good use for that. Take a look at this example. You may find yourself in a situation where your sectional ladder isn't at the right height to put you in a good position to do a window traditionally, head on like we would maybe with an extension ladder. But with this point shape, we can now use that narrow top portion and lock it into a corner. So outside corners of buildings, sometimes the frames of windows, things along those lines. This is a good example. You've noticed we've got a detailing towel wrapped around the top of that rung there, and that just provides some extra protection for a finished surface to make sure that we're not going to do any damage or scratch anything up. And we definitely recommend that you put some ladder boots on the tops of your sectional ladders just to provide that extra measure of protection. But you can see we're at a bit of an angle. We're approaching this window almost diagonally, but this is still a safe working position that you wouldn't be able to accomplish with an extension ladder. So when we climb the ladder, we can see that because the ladder comes to a point here, there isn't a tendency to get any kind of side-to-side motion like you might have with an extension ladder. All of your weight is on this little section here, and it's keeping you nice and secure in this one position. And now we can reach to our right, we can reach to our left, and still access windows that otherwise might be difficult to reach with a traditional extension ladder. So this is one of many ways that these sectional ladders can be very useful.